here's the app called Farcaster, formerly Warpcast. So this app is getting some traction. This is kind of Web3 social media, kind of like Twitter, but it's decentralized like email, which means you control your account and identity. And it's an ever-growing community of interesting, curious people from all over the world. Connect with others by creating profile, posting public messages. Create Farcaster account and public profile, post and reply to public messages, find other user and visit public profiles. And also there are a lot of tokens in here where you can just basically earn from this app by trading tokens and by posting viral content. So here is the app. You just can import your profile from Twitter. Inviting is no longer available. You can then just bring a friend by purchasing, but here you can again you can earn in this app: post content, get likes, comments, shares to climb the leaderboard. You can build mini apps, create interactive apps that users love, can earn from, invite others, share. So that doesn't work anymore. So here's, for example, and then you can just post, very similar like Twitter. There are like channels, I don't know what that is. You can search for actions, add image, and then just guest now. Great. So there are also messages. Then there is wallet. You can see your wallet, you can see your token, you can receive, send, you can swap. There are also NFTs, and then there are posts. So basically, I guess each post is a token, and you can earn with it. So here's my post. Great. You can then you can delete it, you can like it, and then you can buy it. Like as a collectible. So this is not new. This has been for a while. This idea that you can buy posts and invest in posts. There are a bunch of apps like Zora who are also trying to do this. And then you can just see all of these posts. And there are all of these things. And then you just have it like that. So here you have all of these details. You can tap to collectibles. You can see trending. You can top. So for example, here is so here you can see that people are buying it with bids. So current bid, and it ends in 6 hours. So people are just bidding for it. So yeah, and then so that's the idea. People just buying it for that, and yeah. So this app actually was for a while. I didn't know that it's from 2022. Then you have my beats, my casts, trending, and so you can buy tokens. You can buy like a post. You can buy NFTs. And that's what it is. Collectibles, mini apps, which you can also install in here. So installed mini apps, and then there is your wallet, and then this is just what it is. Then there are notifications, then there is direct cast, and then there are settings. So it's kind of like Web3 social media. It's not yet perfect, but some people can earn money in here. I guess you need to have big following. And for example, if you have big following, you can also move. So for example, here is current trending token. You can buy it and then just sell it just as you have. And so you can see trending tokens, you can buy it, and that's what it is. So there you have it. That's kind of the idea. So try it out.